Yung guava dito, parang nilagyan mo ng asukal. Lasang sobrang tamis, parang may asukal sa loob. Okay. More guava. This one. Ginawa ni mother. What is this made of? Para siyang coconut. Tapos, malagkit siya, pero masarap. What's it made of? What do you think?
Pinipig.
Pinipig? What's the green one?
Pinipig.
Pinipig? Wow.
Pinipig.
And then crushed.
Right.
And coconut. Okay. Simple breakfast. Parang hindi guava. Yung green mango nga dito matamis. Sa atin maasim.